Hi, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hamza Noor, and today we have a question from A Levels Maths 9709, October November 2019, Paper 3, Variant 2, question number 5 says the equation of a curve is 2x square y minus xy square is equal to a cube, where a is a positive constant. Show that there is only one point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis and find the y coordinate of this point. So the first thing asked here is tangent, about the tangent. So we need to find dy over dx function, and since you know this is a combination of x and y variables, so it is an implicit function and we need to apply the method of implicit differentiation over here. So let's start. The equation is 2x square y minus xy square is equal to a cube. Okay, first thing is that we have 2x square y. We need to differentiate it by using the product rule. U is equal to 2x square and u dash will be equal to 4x. V is equal to y, so v dash will be equal to 1 multiplied by dy over dx. Always remember that in implicit functions, whenever you differentiate y, you multiply it with a variable dy over dx. Another, okay. The second product rule will be applied like this: xy square, so u is equal to x, u dash will be equal to 1, v is equal to y squared, and v dash will be equal to 2y dy over dx. And since the question says that a cube, a is a positive constant, so whenever a constant term is differentiated it becomes 0. Therefore your next step of the working, I have some space here, I can solve it. uv dash plus vu dash. Okay, so 2x squared dy over dx plus uv dash plus vu dash 4xy, then you have a minus sign. Alright, let me just remove that above thing, I need some space, that's why. 4xy, then you have a minus sign, then x 2y dy over dx plus vu dash y squared. This whole thing will be equal to 0. Why? Because the positive constant a is differentiated now and it becomes 0. So what happens next is you need to take dy over dx as common. First thing you should do is make the steps easier for you. You need to just expand it and sorry, okay, so 2x squared dy over dx plus 4xy minus 2xy dy over dx minus y squared is equal to 0. Now you need to take dy over dx as common. So let me just remove the previous working. Taking dy over dx as common, so this becomes 2x squared minus 2xy, and this will be equal to y squared minus 4xy. Alright, so the next step is dy over dx is equal to y squared minus 4xy over 2x squared minus 2 x y. Alright, so this is the dy over dx function we have obtained. Okay, so coming back to the question, it says that show that there is only one point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. When the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, the gradient is equal to 0. So we need to put dy over dx is equal to 0 over here. So the whole denominator is equal to 0, the whole denominator is removed. So y square is equal to 4xy. We have obtained it like this. Y square minus 4xy was equal to 0 now, and therefore y square is equal to 4xy. Or you can also do it like this: y squared minus 4xy, taking y common, y minus 4x is equal to 0. So you have obtained y is equal to 0, you will ignore it, and you have obtained y is equal to 4x. Now all you need to do is substitute this variable again in the original equation. So here you are going to substitute this y is equal to 4x back into the original equation of the curve. So 2x square multiplied by 4x minus x into 4x, the whole thing squared, is equal to a cube. So this becomes 8x cube minus 16x cube is equal to a cube. This becomes minus 8x cube is equal to a cube. So all you can do is minus 8x, the whole thing cube, can also be written as minus 8x cube can also be written as minus 2x, the whole thing cube. This would be equal to a cubed. Cubed and cubed are cancelled, so a is equal to minus 2x. Okay, so you have obtained it in terms of a. So we have obtained so far a is equal to minus 2x, and from the previous working we also obtained that y was equal to 4x. So you can also say that x is equal to a divided by minus 2, which means x is equal to minus a over 2. So in place of x you can write minus a over 2, minus a over 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So your final variable obtained in terms of y is equal to minus 2a. So basically the requirement of the question was, let me just read out the question again for you. Show that there is only one point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, and you have found the y coordinate of this point, which is equal to minus 2a. This is your final answer. Thank you so much.